Hi everybody, my name is Justin Wolf and I'm here to talk with you about something really important today. Anxiety. Anxiety affects millions of people worldwide, and especially when somebody enters into early recovery, their anxiety levels can increase, presenting additional challenges and barriers early on that weren't expected to be encountered here. And I want to spread the message that there is hope. Hope that treatment can be very effective and a game changer for those experiencing anxiety and not having the skills or the tools on how to manage it. So the first step in this is really we want to seek professional help. There are therapists, counselors, psychiatrists who can serve as guides, who have resources on interventions that can really take the wind out of anxiety's sails. And so that's where when we look at some really effective proven anxiety interventions, we're looking at acceptance and commitment therapy, dialectical behavior therapy, mindfulness, and also meditation to help slow everything down and learn to sit with those uncomfortable feelings instead of turning and running at the very first sight of them. And that is how we build that resilience, that inner peace, and we can create the space for acceptance of all our emotional experiences so that at the very thought of it showing up, we're able to create the space, sit there and be present with it, and acknowledge it for what it is. And that helps really retrain our brain on how we can navigate what anxiety is bringing to the table. A most powerful measure here is really that connection component. And we want to look at really connecting with other individuals, especially when we're experiencing anxiety and we feel it coming up physically, that we can be open, honest, and vulnerable with. And that we know we can share that and they will support us in navigating it. And the last step in all of this is that sometimes it can be really helpful to journal and write it out, because that's another really effective way to process what is going on internally inside of us. And to counter the journal, we can create a gratitude journal, because sometimes when anxiety goes up, it can feel like nothing is going well and nothing will ever go well. And that gratitude journal can be a reminder of the things that we have in our life that we can appreciate when our mind is telling us that we don't really have much of anything. And so remember, anxiety is not a weakness. It's a normal experience that us as just humans experience. And we can turn that experience into a strength, knowing that when I feel this, I have the skills and I have the ability to navigate this in a way that it doesn't derail my life. And so let's continue to spread the message about what we can do to navigate anxiety when it shows up and continue to break the stigma associated. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this today.